Welcome to PIA Philippine Islands Adventure. My name is Milo. Today I'm going to show you 3 of my Phalaenopsis that are doing awesome. This one is growing in wood bark chips and also a sphagnum moss on top and also perlite. And this time, look at that right here. There is a new growth and I can tell you that that is going to be a spike. It is going to turn out to be a flower. Okay, so let me show you the other one. Here's another Phalaenopsis right here. I was watering, and as I was watering, I also cut this stem right there because it's done blooming, and it is also growing on the wood bark chips, perlite, a little bit of sphagnum moss. But look at this, guys, right here. Look at that. It is a new growth. And that is not a root, it is a spike, so that is going to be a flower pretty soon. And I love this little clay pot right here. I got this from Lowe's. Okay, here's the third one. This one is growing on coconut husk chips. And first off, look what I found today as I was watering. This one is not even done blooming. I cut one of the stem a while back, and I'm going to show you where. Right here where I cut it a while back. At this, guys, right here. This is just blow my mind. Look at that right here. Now that doesn't look like a spike. It looks to me more like a keiki. That looks really odd, and that really looks different. So we'll see how it goes. I will make an update on this one. And this one is still blooming, and look at this flower right here. It is so pretty, so gorgeous. Look at that. I have videoed this a while back. That is so cool. I just love this one. So here they are, the 3 of my orchids that are doing so well with new growth. These are definitely a new spike. And this one right here, that looks so amazing. I just finished watering them again because it dries out really fast now because it's getting warmer here. And that looks just amazing. Look at that. And the last one is right here. It is looking more like a spike. It's going to be a flower soon. I don't think that is a keiki. So that just looks great. They look so healthy. And the best part about it is that I was so worried about this one right here, only because it still has the bloom and grow a new spike like that. That's just the very first time that happened to me. It just amazes me so much. And you know, because I thought this was going to be done blooming and that would be it, and it's done. So I was going to put it to rest, meaning cut off this stem right here and let it grow more. But then I see more possibly spike coming up soon. And if you notice right here, see how it's bulky, a little bit bulky right there, and another one is right there, and another one is right there that is starting to come out. That is like going to be spike, and it's going to be going to be flower soon. So I didn't want to cut it right away because I always have a great luck of regrowing them with more flower. And I usually don't cut it anyway, you know, until I know for sure that it's not gonna grow any more flower. So I just usually just leave it alone. And the best of all is that the new leaves of each one of these plants is growing new leaf. And usually when they just got done blooming, the leaf doesn't come out right away. But the one that really amazes me is this one right here, because look at that new leaf. That looks so healthy. and I'm so happy about the progress of these 3 orchids. They just love it the way it is, where I grow them right on the window in our bedroom, and it's loving every moment of it. One other thing is that I'm using 3 different types of planter. So if you notice that, or I don't know if anybody noticed it, but this one is growing in a clay pot that I bought from one of my favorite store here. And the other one, this pot right here comes with orchids when I buy them, and I save them. I don't put any holes in there because usually I repot them right away. So I ran out of pots and I was in a hurry, so I had to repot it just using that plastic. Let me see if I can get a better view here. Using that plastic flower pot. They're all plastic. Oh, except the other one, it's clay pot. And then I bought this little dish right here, little bowls, and they're from the dollar store, and it's really perfect for each one of my orchids to place it on that so that it doesn't drip all over my floor. And it's just one of the ideas that I do. And the best part about it is this one right here. This comes from a dollar store that I put holes in there. It's just a DIY flower pot. I put holes in there, that way the roots can breathe, and it's really liking it. A lot of my orchids likes it because it's clear, and by putting it on the window, it's the sun can shine through it, and it puts out more healthier roots. That's just my experience. Okay, so that's just a flower pot that I got, or a bowl that I got from a dollar store, and I made it into a flower pot by putting holes in there and also holes underneath there. That way the water doesn't get stuck and it drains out right away. And this one is one of my favorite also. It's just a medium, or the smallest, not the smallest, but medium size of clay pot that I got. It's got holes underneath, and also no holes in between there, but I don't overwater them, but I water them enough just for the plants to grow and not rot. All right, thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. And if you could please give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Take care. All right, thank you so much, guys. Take care, and thank you for supporting continuously my channel. God bless.